Oh. Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm David and welcome back to Stamps Bros. Today we have a 2020 Hyundai Palisade in for an interior detail. I have Amelia here with us today.
Hello!
And today we're just doing the interior of the vehicle. I'm going to be giving you guys some helpful tips along the way and training her at the same time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right everyone, so I'm just going to take you up close and personal. I'll show you guys exactly how dirty this car is. The main part about this car are the mats, carpets, and it definitely needs a wipe down. I talked to the owner and they haven't actually cleaned the car or brought it in for quite a while. I think the last time we actually detailed this was back in December, and he has 2 kids, so you know, they make a mess in the back. And again, I'm going to be showing you guys some helpful tips as I'm training Amelia as well. She's one of our new technicians. And then we will also be doing this car seat as well. We don't put them back in, legally we're not allowed, but we do take them out and we clean the seat underneath and we clean the child seat as well, just as a little bonus. This car does also have a 3rd row, so we do need to get back there, but the seats are always folded down. Okay guys, so the first thing that she's gonna do is she's gonna start taking things out of the car and the mats as well at the ground. We're gonna spray those off over in the wash bay.
You got some markers, you got some wipes.
Sorry guys, there's a lot of vehicles in the shop today, so we're trying to film with the room that we have. There she is, she just wants to pull all the mats out. The next thing that we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be using the Tornado. We're going to spray the carpets with everything, blow everything to the front, make our vacuuming a lot easier, and save a ton of time because no one wants to vacuum for an eternity.
That is nasty. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh.
It's just like caked on there.
There you go.
Fancy.
So for those of you that want to know if you're cleaning a Palisade, 2021 at least, I think this is 2020. 2020, 21, 21. You want to push this little button right here, the seat will fold forward and move forward. Oh man, look at these fishy crackers. You guys like your fishy crackers? I used to love them as a kid. What about you? Amelia?
I like goldfish.
All right guys, so we're gonna finish removing the mats and I'll catch you guys over for when we start with the Tornado. All right, so I'm holding a light, guys. There's not enough room to actually put some lighting on the sides here. I'm worried about scratching other vehicles. Like this one just got ceramic coating, some PPF. I really don't want to ruin it. So we have some limited space. I'm holding a light, so I'll give you guys the best lighting as possible. What we're gonna do is Amelia here is just gonna spray some Glico from Labo Cosmetica all over the carpets here. And then we're gonna use the Tornado to blow everything forward. Reason we spray it is just to lift any dirt from the carpet up. Start spraying. This is gonna lift any of the dirt up, anything that's stuck onto the carpet. It will actually help break down to make the vacuuming and the Tornado a lot easier. You don't have to spray too much. It's gonna go around, spray all the carpets. And if there is a stain, we're gonna spray a little bit extra on there. Don't worry about that right now. If there is a stain, remember there's a 3rd row, spray the 3rd row.
Oh.
So if there is a stain or anything like that as well, and we spray Glico on it and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, it will break down that stain and the Tornado will not get rid of it completely, but it's gonna make it so much easier to get rid of. Oh yeah, you'll see it start to come up to the top. I'm gonna look at it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there'll be like little tiny bubbles, and that's how you know that's bringing dirt up. It's also gonna make the carpet look a lot nicer after we vacuum as well. Okay, so off camera really quick, we just finished up spraying the carpets with Glico from Labo Cosmetica. We're just gonna let that sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, bring all the dirt up, and then Amelia here is gonna hit it with the Tornado.
Don't forget your PPE.
Exactly guys, this stuff is extremely loud. Don't blow out your eardrums, you don't wanna go deaf.
So why are we using the Tornado?
So the Tornado, it does a little like suction blow kind of thing. It's gonna speed up your vacuuming time. by 50% pretty much. It's gonna make vacuuming a lot easier, and it's gonna get a lot of things that you won't really see. It's gonna blow out the crevices. It's gonna blow out any of the dirt, any of the tough on dirt that's in the carpets. It's really gonna help you guys a ton cleaning your vehicle, and especially backed by, you don't have to use Labo Cosmetica's Glico, but any kind of carpet cleaner spraying on your carpets is going to make the Tornador, and the vacuuming a lot easier, and it's going to make your carpets look amazing. Okay, so as you guys can see, it sped things up dramatically. Back here is the worst kind of carpet. Like, there isn't even, like, I can't even touch it. It's that felt stuff, really hard stuff to clean, really hard stuff to vacuum. So the Tornador definitely sped that up. And as you guys can see, a lot cleaner. Plus, we're still gonna vacuum this. We might spray it one more time with our carpet cleaner, Glico from Labo Cosmetica. But as you guys can see, you really wouldn't need to necessarily. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the vehicle because this is so loud. And then we'll catch you guys over for the vacuum. Okay, so off camera, really quickly, we went ahead and sprayed this with an APC. This APC is from Bloomco. It's called Lemon Plus. It is available here in Canada and manufactured here in Canada. So if you guys are interested, I will leave their link down in the description. The reason that we sprayed this on off camera is just so it can agitate everything. We left it on for about 3 minutes. We didn't really want to have you guys sit here for 3 minutes and watch the bubbles unless you guys like that. Next thing she's gonna do is spray it off, and then we're gonna respray it on, agitate it with the brush, and then we're gonna spray that off. So we're gonna dry it with the Tornador off of Tornador, damn it, off of camera just because it's so loud, and then we'll catch you guys back over for adding the shine to it after we do the vacuuming and stuff like that. So go ahead, spray it off. Alright, so there we go, spray it off. Now she's just going to spray on the APC from Bloomco. Just gonna turn off the pressure washers so it doesn't make any noises.
It turned into like a puke green when I was spraying it.
Oh, that's good to know. It goes from a dirty matte to a puke green.
You can see everything come off.
Definitely a lot cleaner. We're gonna move this onto a table over there, dry it off camera just because it is so noisy. And then the way that we're gonna dry it is we're gonna use the Tornador, then we're gonna use a rag, and then we're gonna spray some non-slippery protectant on top of it just to shine it up a bit and help keep it clean for longer. Okay guys, so I went around off camera and I blew everything basically to this side here. So you can see everything is pretty much over here. There's not too much on that side. We're still gonna vacuum it, of course, because there is obviously stuff that will get missed. But as you can see, the Tornador basically does all the work. I told her to spray a lot because she always does one spray and then she thinks that's enough. Do a couple sprays.
Seems like I can't get in between, but I will try. Spray. Good amount. Don't spray the speaker.
Now Ductile is from Labo Cosmetica. I'm gonna leave that link down in the description. We have a USA link and a Canadian link. Ductile, literally you use a cap full of it. It's not expensive. You guys might think that it's expensive, but you use a cap full of it in, what is that, 21-ounce bottle? Literally a cap full of it. And it will clean, and it will disinfect, and it will leave a nice matte finish all in one. Let us know down in the comments if you guys like these videos of me teaching Amelia how to clean a car, training her up, and as I'm doing that, filming it, so obviously you guys can learn along the way as well. Okay guys, so we went ahead, we did the vacuuming, we did the wipe down. Now it's time to get the windows and then the leather, and then we're done. So Amelia here is gonna tell you guys the secret, or show you guys the secret of how to get streak-free windows every single time. Take it away.
All right, well, this is a wet yellow cloth from Costco, and we're gonna wipe it on the window.
there is a window here, guys. I
There's a
know
window.
you can't really see through it, but the window's there. We cracked the window just to make sure you can get the top edge. And then we'll obviously roll it back up and get the little bottom layer. But really, people are going to be more concerned about that little smudge that happens at the very top more than they are about the little tiny inch at the bottom. But like as she said, she's going to wipe on with this yellow one. And then what's next?
And then
You got to give it a little bit of elbow grease, especially at the top there.
that's on the outside.
Oh, it's on the outside? Perfect. We're going to be doing the outside later anyways.
Okay, and
what's
then we take this plushy side and we're gonna wipe the product off.
So this side here is the waffle weave. So these towels I think are from the Rag Company. Either Rag Company or what's the other one there? House of Rags. There's one of the two. And you guys can, I'll link them down in the description. It's the waffle weave. That's gonna get rid of your streaks. Now, I'm sure you're all wondering what product we're using. So the secret formula is water. Okay guys, so now Amelia is gonna show you guys how to condition your leather. Take it away.
Okay, so we're gonna use this.
That's a Boon Co leather conditioner. I'll link it down in the description.
And we're gonna put a little bit on a little foamy applicator pad. Not too much, but a good amount. And then you're gonna rub it in. Just like so.
Make sure you guys wear gloves, that way you don't get it on your fingers, because if you get it on you, it's in you.
Yeah. And it also smells like carrots, but you know.
Yeah, this stuff smells absolutely disgusting, but it is real leather conditioner. It's not gonna leave it shiny, it's gonna actually condition your seats.
Okay, and we're gonna start with the head.
You guys can apply it however you want. She likes to do it kind of like in a crisscross motion. You could go up and down, side to side. You can go in circles for all I care. Just apply it all to the leather. And you're gonna let it sit for, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure you get full coverage because it doesn't dry shiny, but you will notice a difference if you miss a spot.
Especially on black leather. I've noticed that you can find it on black leather.
Oh yeah. Make sure you get this pillar over here. Awesome. And we'll do the back of the seats, don't worry guys. Get the side of the headrest on my side. There you go, perfect. Make sure you thoroughly wipe it off. You don't want any of it to dry, and you especially don't want it to dry in the sunlight. Again, I'll link everything down in the description. If I forget a link, let me know down in the comments. I'll link it right after, or I'll send it to you personally. If you guys need any additional help, just DM me on Instagram. Always happy to help. So what this is essentially going to do is it's going to protect it. It's going to help protect it against cracking from the sun. It's going to, if you spill stuff on it, or yeah, if you spill stuff on it, it'll keep it cleaner. It's a little bit hydrophobic. It'll keep the vehicle cleaner for longer, and it's going to add a nice matte finish to it. Nothing shiny. If it's shiny, it's not actually doing anything. I hope that you guys liked today's video. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I'm training Amelia and kind of training you guys at the same time, just let me know down in the comments.
While you're down there, go check out our online store, like and subscribe.
And if you guys want to be featured in one of our videos or you need some detailing, just DM me on Instagram. Till next time, drive safe, and I'll see you on the next detail.
Here at Stance Bros, we're recognized as one of Calgary's premier detailing spas. Our meticulous attention to detail ensures every vehicle entrusted to us leaves looking its best. Join us on this channel as we showcase our passion for cars, detailing expertise, and exciting car content. At Stance Bros, we're cultivating a community united by our passion for all things automotive.
Nice stance, bro.